Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to make this quick video and show you that this is drip irrigation in action. This is a Rainbird Copper Shield drip irrigation. It's the 0.6 gallon per hour drip, and the reason I'm doing this video is to emphasize that everything needs maintenance, including drip irrigation, or at least inspection. Here's a plant that the gardener was trimming, and inadvertently, as he was trimming it, he cut the line, and as a result, you can see where I've repaired it, put a coupling on here. So it's actually on right now, but it's not squirting water. It was squirting water out to the sidewalk over there, making a mess. And so everything needs maintenance, or at least inspection, and then upon inspection, if it needs to be repaired, then repair it. And one of the telltale signs is the homeowner called me and said, "Oh my God, this yarrow is bionic. Look at the size of that thing. It's like a bush." And they're typically very small plants. So I was very happy because it was getting way too much water from the cut line of the drip irrigation, and the sidewalk was getting wet. So moral of the story, do inspect your drip irrigation lines from time to time. Just turn them on, make sure there's nothing. If the gardener cuts through it, you will see, I mean, it was squirting way out to the sidewalk over there, and it's making a mess. That's my tip for the day. Thanks for joining.